Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video. And if you've been wondering how to get your fog lights from looking like this to looking like this, man, you watching the right video, because this video today is brought to you and sponsored by Auxito. They have LED lights, LED bulbs, LED fog lights. They got different things going on over there at Auxito right now. And today they have sent me LED fog lights, man. And with these LED fog lights, we're gonna get you from looking like this to looking like this. All right, man, so without further ado, I'm going to explain to you the basic main stuff that people want to know when you're looking at or getting fog lights. First and foremost, thing you're going to notice, they are going to be a cool white look. So it's going to be 65K, 65K white look. They're going to be 4,000 lumen per pair, all right? So that's the brightness basically. And they're going to have over 30,000 hours of run time, all right? So you don't have to worry about them, you know, going out on you. They also are canvas ready, which means they won't have any flickering issues. And if you watch my channel before, you've seen that I've done Auxito's headlights, review on their headlights before. Didn't have an issue with their headlights before. Don't expect to have any issues with the LED fog lights right now. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead on and show you how to do this install real quick. I will say this, if you are interested in getting them, link will be in the description below. You can use my discount code JRTPROD. You can get you 15% off, man. I ain't talking about just on fog lights, I'm talking about whatever they offer on their website, man. People have been blowing that website up with my discount code, man. I'm telling you, it's saving people a whole lot of money. And I ain't gonna lie, you have me in the process too. And you have with the channel in the process, man. So without further ado, man, let's go on and get into this install. We're gonna start off with the driver side first, real quick and easy. Let's go. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to pop out these rivets right here, these plastic rivets. It's very simple to do. If you have a rivet tool, then that will probably be best. Me, I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver, pull it out like so. All you gotta do is reach your hand in, twist it to the left, and that unlocks it. And now you have it out. All right, had a little bit of a time trying to get it unplugged, but basically there is a red clip. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this so y'all can see it. All right, so it's pretty much plug and play, but basically there's a red clip, and if you hold the red, extend the red clip, because it goes in, it goes down, and it also goes up right there. So if you extend it going up and then press down on the back part, which is a clip, you can then basically unplug it. The next thing you want to do before you actually put it in is you want to turn on your lights and make sure that you have it plugged in the right way. Because if it doesn't come on, then you just flip the light around, flip the switch around, and then it'll come on. So let's turn on that and see if they work. Alright, now that we said that we have it working, now we're going to go ahead and put it back in. So when we took it out, we turned it to the left. So going back in, we're going to turn it to the right. That's basically it. Then all you're going to do from that point is put your rivets back in. Once we got it locked in, let me see if I can see. It's daylight out here, so it's really hard to kind of show you, but basically there it is right there. It's locked in, secure, good to go. So let's go ahead and tighten this side back up. I'm gonna show you the difference of what it looks like from the regular halogen bulb. So this is the driver's side. I'm gonna show you the passenger side. All right, Prod Squad, man. So I just finished putting in the passenger side bulb. And let me just say this. And y'all let me know in the comment section, man, if y'all experience the same thing. But is it just me, or is it like the hardest thing to do when you're like putting in the bulb and twisting it, or trying to find the right angle or the right long stub of the 3 to put in? It's kind of like, you know, that putting the square in the square hole and the whole circle in the circle hole, except trying to do it blind. Man, it'd be a job, man. It's tough, man. And the thing about it, it's just such an easy job. Only thing is just you can't really see, and you gotta like get it precise and then make sure you're turning it the right way. Because if you only get 2 of them in and then you get 1 lodged in there and you turn it, they're gonna be locked in there crazy, man. But anyway, so yeah, I got the other one in, so we're gonna go ahead on and turn it on. It's daytime right now. Just want to see the uniform look. Then I'm gonna get y'all some shots at night, and we're gonna shut this thing down. So let's go. May as well let y'all hear when I crank it up. So. Alright, Prod Squad, so it is almost completely nighttime, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what they look like, just, you know, sitting stationary. So let's go and take a look at it. Alright, here we go. Boom, man. So now we got a uniform look. Everything all white. It's a clean look, man. It's real nice and bright. Video of course doesn't do it justice, but this is the look you're going for. This is what you want to get, man. Link will be in the description. JRTPROD for the 15% discount code. So next, go on and show you this drive, see how they look. All right, here we go. We're gonna crank this thing up. All right. So right off the back, y'all can see, let me turn this air off real quick. So right off the back, I mean, you're basically seeing the headlights. So we're gonna go ahead on and pull on out here. Fog lights are on. So now we're gonna take a little drive here. We're gonna see if we can find a nice little spot. Y'all can kind of see what's going on here. So based off of the video and what y'all seeing, does not look bad. Right now I have him on. All right, let's see, let me take it down here while ain't no cars coming. All right, so I'm gonna stop right here real quick so y'all can kind of see. So when I turn them off, that's how it looks. And when I turn them on, that's basically how it is. So it gives you a little bit of a wider angle, a wider view, you know, of light. It just kind of spans it out just a little bit. But from what I can tell, they definitely look good. Now, with fog lights, when you turn on your brights, they turn off. So there's no need to try to demonstrate that. These headlights right here though, these the headlights that I have in, these are fairing. Y'all love these. Go and check out my video on that, man. These are some pretty good headlights. They've been lasting a while. I haven't had any flickering issues and everything is straight. But as far as the fog lights are concerned, they're doing their job. You know, they're not too bright to where they're blinding people, oncoming traffic or whatnot. 4,000 lumen, 2,000 per bulb. All right, 2,000 per bulb, 30,000 hours plus, 65K white temperature. And one thing I did forget to tell y'all is how much they cost. Now originally, if you go on the website, you'll see that they cost $50. Now, if you use my promo code JRTPROD, you can get 15% off. All right, so let's go on and shut this thing down, man. Alright, Prod Squad, man. So yeah, that's basically it. So we got Auxito LED fog lights right here, man. Check the link in the description. Use the promo code, save you 15% off. Y'all gonna love it, man. As you can see, everything's shining bright, man. So if this is your first time at the channel, hit that like button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll holler at y'all on the next one, man. Y'all be safe out in these streets. Till next time. Peace.